And I came up with a nickname for you since you refused to supply one for me.
What was that?
Gumdrop.
Gumdrop?
You're Gumdrop.
Okay.
You like that? Is that okay? So Gumdrop, how long have you had a giant toenail like this?
1 year.
That's all? Think back longer. I think you've had it longer than that. I think you're misremembering. I'm just certain you've had this longer, because it takes a lot longer for that. This is an alcohol swab I'm doing right now. Have you ever had your toes injected for numbing purposes? Okay, so you know it stings a little bit? You're not going to kick the doctor, right?
I'll try not to.
You're going to try not to. I appreciate that very much. Let me slide over here. Wow, you're really excited today, aren't you? All right, let's get Gumby Jean in here.